It's the Rainforest Cafe, honey. You want to go in and eat? Pretty cool ambiance, huh? What a perfect backdrop, Alan.
Yeah, you get to eat him right out of the aquarium.
So cool. They're talking to us. I'm not sure what they're saying. Okay, Alan. Hey, you got a birthday pin on.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Take a bite of your pastelaya. That looks like pasta, all right.
Yeah, got some shrimp in it. A little sausage, probably. Some vegetables.
Oh boy.
Hoping it has a little bit of a kick to it.
Let's find out.
Pretty mild.
You need some hot sauce.
That wouldn't be a bad idea.
We better ask for some.
Well, what do you have in there?
Well, I'm having lobster macaroni and cheese. I love macaroni and cheese.
Okay.
The cheese sauce.
Yum. Pretty nice tasting idea. And what do you got over there?
This is the healthy side of my dinner. This is roasted vegetables. Tastes just like vegetables. They
Just
must
like
be
them?
real. Yeah.
Wow. All right. Any more thoughts to share here?
4,
Yeah.
because of how creamy the sauce is.
Okay.
4. 4.
For the creaminess?
The vegetables are a 4 because they're fresh. Got some Tabasco sauce going on here.
Needs a little bit of a kick.
Yeah.
Daddy needs to pick me up here.
Daddy needs to pick me up. I can smell it all the way over here.
Yeah. Oh, I think it's perfect. Oh, look, there's chicken in there too.
Okay. Take your bite and then give me a score.
It's just a bit on the bland side before.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's better.
What are you giving it?
Probably about a 3.
3? All right.
Not really outstanding.
Boy, it must have been really bad before you added Tabasco.
Yeah, it's a little bland. Could have a little bit of a pepper aftertaste, but on the bland side, not a lot.
Okay, so we're saying Rainforest Cafe primarily for the elephants and the fish.
Which are a lot of fun.
Yeah, that's what we got going on here.